So let's do something we like to call social media check-in.
Iona Gashi on YouTube. I submitted the RFE response to immigration for I-751, but it has been more than 3 months and I still haven't heard any response from immigration. What should I do?
What did she do in 3 months?
She hasn't heard anything from immigration in 3 months. She submitted the RFE response for the immigration I-751.
You're going to wait a long time. Just wait. By the way, yesterday, one of the viewers contacted me after, and I did make a mistake. They catch me if I make a mistake, and I'll man up to it. I had said yesterday that everyone has to take the new citizenship test after December 2nd, but I was actually wrong because it says it on their website. He pointed to me where the website. So I read something different actually, but the USCIS website says that only if you file after December 2nd will you have to do the new citizenship test. So if you if you file before December 2nd, you're going to get the old citizenship test. So mea culpa on Uncle Brad.
Oh, the one with lesser questions.
Yes.
Okay, God bless on YouTube. My 2-year green card expired June 2020. What should I prepare to send in for my 10 years?
Proof that you and your husband live together and have a financial relationship.
Henry on YouTube. If someone files for VAWA and I-485 concurrently with USCIS, will USCIS waive the filing fees?
You can request it if you're below the poverty level.
Mimi Natty on YouTube. I came on an Africa K1 visa, but my fiance kicked me out a month after while I was pregnant. Now my son is 7 years old. I'm not documented. What can I do?
Well, if you didn't get married, you would have to, fall in love again, file an I-130, do a provisional waiver, go home and come back.
Peterson on Instagram. Is it a problem if my wife and I don't live together and we don't have the same address? Will it remove my conditional green card?
What do you think, Vanessa and Yo-Yo, after all of this time that we've been on this show?
Absolutely.
Do you think it's going to be a problem? I think so,
yes,
too.
Absolutely.
It is. I think it would definitely be a problem. I can answer that one for you at this point.
Yes.
All right, Faria on Instagram. My 87-year-old dad applied for an I-730 for my sister who was 18 at the time. It was approved. He is in Somalia and my sister lives in Uganda now. After Trump's Muslim ban, she did another interview and now she is pending security clearances. My dad was recently naturalized. Can he upgrade this case at this point, even though my sister is over 21? And how will the ban affect the case? The I-730 was approved in 2015.
Well, yes, he should upgrade it. The ban does affect it. The ban's up December 31st. Trump can extend it, but Trump is out of office as of January 20th. So you got to assume by sometime in February, March, that ban is going to be lifted anyway. So contact the embassy, upgrade the case, and hopefully your relative will be here sometime in the spring or early summer.
Avia on Facebook. I'm in the U.S. now. Can I apply for a work permit? I'm on a visiting visa and have been here for 2 weeks.
No, there's no work permit to apply for after you've been here on a visitor's visa for 2 weeks.
Bryant Williams on Facebook. I was released on parole from ICE detention. I applied for asylum and I submitted my asylum application at immigration court where I was detained. My court case was transferred where I live now, so my next master hearing is coming next month. Do I still need to file another asylum application?
No, you already did. What you will have to do is maybe supplement what you've already filed, give a more detailed statement that doesn't contradict what you've already said, or perhaps add additional evidence, but you're not going to file a new form.
Franklin Toomer on Facebook. In September, I filed form I-751 for my wife and stepson. To date, I have not received even a receipt number. My wife's mother and grandmother are in serious health conditions and she needs to travel. However, her temporary green card has expired. Is there a way I could use your services to request an emergency pass so she can travel as soon as possible?
Yes, but you need proof that you filed the application. So you need to, if you didn't get a receipt, then hopefully they collected the money either if you did it online or they cashed your check or money order. But yes, the answer is yes. All right, two more.
Moose V on Instagram. I came to this country when I was 14 years old. My dad is a citizen, but he never married my mom. So immigration said that I'm not a citizen because I was born out of wedlock. I am 50 now. We read this. Natalia Castro on Facebook. To get a replacement of I-94, do I have to file a form I-102? I couldn't find it online. Is there any other way to get a duplicate?
I-102
if you can't find it online. Or you can do a FOIA.
Okay, last one for right now. You leave Victoria on Facebook. My niece is a U.S. citizen. She petitioned for both of her parents who are living overseas over a year ago. Only one got approved and the other one is still pending. Now, my question is, for the one that's approved, would it be faster to come to the U.S. and adjust their status from the U.S. after 90 days? They both have a visitor's visa. Or just do it from their country. Also, is it normal for the other parent's petition to still be pending? It's been a year and 4 months and they're from Peru.
What is this, a U.S. citizen filing for who?
Yes, it's a niece who's a U.S. Well, the girl is a U.S. citizen filing for her parents.
For her parents, yes, it would be faster if they came as a visitor's visa for the purpose of visiting and then filing an adjustment 90 days later. It's odd that one got approved and one didn't. I don't know why. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.